pick the language. Let's go with English. Industry plumber, and type in your phone number with the country code. That's crucial. Click that button at the bottom, and it will take a little while for the phone call to be received by your phone number if you have specified the business's website, because it takes a minute for the system to scrape the information about this website, or rather info about the business, in order to pass it down to the AI agent. And by the way, the phone call has been sent, and let me accept it.